This is a speech about 7 fundamentals for success, which emphasizes the importance of personal growth, goal setting, and making thoughtful choices in life. The first fundamental is to consistently set, rearrange, evaluate, and strengthen the purpose of one's goals. Goal setting is a critical part of the life process, a basic fundamental that should be taken seriously. Those who dedicate time and effort to constantly refine their goals will find themselves among the top 5% of successful individuals. Very few people have a plan to continually rework their goals, but those who do will inevitably stand out and be admired. It is recommended to involve family and colleagues in this process and make it a fundamental part of life. The second fundamental is maintaining an association with people who share common interests in progress, success, and ideas. The power of influence is undeniable. Being around the right people who share positive ideas, philosophies, and who are committed to growth is essential. One must deliberately counterbalance negative influences by forming consistent relationships with those who can improve their lives. The third fundamental is to have a clear plan for managing present resources. Everyone has resources, whether it's time, money, or other assets. The key question is, what is being done with these resources? Managing them wisely is crucial to long-term success. This includes understanding money, how to earn it, where to invest it, and teaching others, especially children, about financial responsibility from an early age. Poor financial habits developed early in life can carry into adulthood. The speaker emphasizes the importance of planning and managing resources to avoid financial struggles later in life. The fourth fundamental involves having a detailed game plan for the use of work time. Most people don't plan beyond the immediate future, but it's essential to design a structured plan for work and personal life, ensuring nothing important is missed. Whether it's for business, family, or personal development, a game plan will keep everything organized and will ensure steady progress toward financial independence and personal fulfillment. The fifth fundamental for success is a consistent plan for gathering knowledge. Ideas and knowledge should not be left to chance encounters or random inspiration. A deliberate, daily, and consistent approach to learning is essential. This includes reading books, attending lectures, and making use of journals to capture and reflect on new ideas. Good ideas don't just come to a person, they must be actively pursued. Having a clear plan to consistently gather knowledge will place an individual among the top few who make the most of their potential. The sixth fundamental is the development of personal skills. There is almost nothing a person cannot learn with dedication and a solid plan. Whether it is learning new languages, refining leadership abilities, or honing business skills, individuals must constantly work on developing all their personal talents. Settling for less than one's potential is a mistake. There is discipline involved, but the rewards are immense. The seventh and final fundamental is to develop a lifestyle that reflects one's success and substance. It is important not just to earn well, but to live well. Lifestyle is a skill, and learning how to live, enjoy one's time, family, and resources is critical. Success is not just about financial wealth, but about living a life filled with joy and satisfaction. It is essential to figure out how to anticipate and meet one's needs, and those of loved ones, with delight rather than resentment. Lifestyle is about more than just money. It is about the richness of how life is lived. These fundamentals form the foundation for success. There are no new fundamentals or mysterious keys to success. It is a process based on the consistent application of practical principles. Success is not achieved through extraordinary means, but by doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. If you like this content, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel to be notified for new content. As always, thanks for watching.